Okay guys, I'm back. So now that I have gotten all the water from out of the machine, we have a screwdriver down there and we're going to actually disconnect. Start to remove the drain plug from the drain plug pump. So as we see, all these clamps here need to be disconnected. I'm going to move the clamp up here. This one seems a little snug, but we're going to need to remove this clamp here. As you see, it's pretty easy to remove. Excuse my bracelets in the background, but so we'll remove this clamp. And it's kind of loose enough, I believe, because you see the pump is actually moving. But you remove this clamp. As you see, this clamp is moved up now, and you'll disconnect that this tube from here. So as you see, we only have one screw here that needs to be disconnected, and looks like maybe two other screws, two to four other screws in the front. But these are the actual screws we're going to start to disconnect. Let's start out with this larger one here. I'm going to use my opposite hand. And just in case if you can't remove it with a screwdriver, you know, you'll use the ratchet set, which is this. And you can just put that in there with an extender. You'll need an extender to make this longer here to disconnect. This is a 17 that's on there now, so this is actually too big. So I'm going to take this off, and I believe that may be a 10 down there. So one moment while I get some more tools. So we'll see. I have a 10 here, and let's see if this will actually fit. And looks like that's going to be a little bit too small. So we'll need an 11. I'm going to set the phone down so I can grab some more tools. All right, I'm back. Not a professional here, just to kind of, that's a 9. That's not gonna work. But just to note, you guys, I'm not a professional. I'm just someone who, when things need to be done, I make sure it can get done. That's it. So let's give you guys a little bit more light. But we have the 11 here now, and we're gonna see if that works. That don't work. So you just kind of keep on trying until you figure it out. But it's not hard, trust me. So we flip it one more time, and voila, we've got it. The 12 works. And Now let's actually, I'm gonna put an extender on this piece here. This will just make, might make it a little bit easier to actually use the piece down there. And this one might be a little too short. So you actually could possibly use this one here. This is a little bit longer, and that'll just give me a little bit more leverage to kind of just work from the top. So that's in there like that. And now we're going to use the actual ratchet set as soon as I can find it. Okay, here we are. Here we go. And just that simple, we're unscrewing it. As you see, the pieces loosening up in there. And it's just that simple, guys, you know. It's like if you need it done, you just get it done. Just get it done. That's it. Look at that. Just that simple. And let's see if this piece down here is loose now. Oh, okay. It's loose. But it looks like we got something else that's holding it. So let's see what it could be. I'm gonna use the camera. I'm gonna put on some light, extra light. Here we are. So I don't know where this cotton came from, but I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so there we are. We have one more screw just to take out, and it's just as simple as that, and this piece will be out, and we're going to replace it, and our washing machine will be back spinning. And it looks like we got a little bit of cotton in there too. I don't know if that's what's causing the clog. We might not even have to replace this piece. Hold on. That might be the cause. The reason why it said it was, you know, the error code that it was giving me was stating that, you know, it was either a... So let's just try to see. We might could take that piece back to the store. See how simple this is? I'm gonna get this. Let's see. Must have been washing something and it just caused it to be a... Look at this. Obviously a blanket. Wow. Did y'all just see that? Look at this that was in there. So that could be what was causing the drain plug to not work. I'm going to connect this back. I'm going to connect everything back, cut on the washing machine just to see if it's back working now. Because if it is, we could take that piece back to the store. We didn't need it. How about that? Just as simple as that. I should have diagnosed this a little bit more before I actually went to go buy the piece, but I didn't want to. So I'm going to connect everything back, put the pump back just to kind of see, and cut the machine on just to see if it spins. And if it does, man, do you know how much money we just saved? So it does have two pieces here that need to be connected because I did have some water down there. I'm going to have to actually make sure these are dried off before I connect them. I'll get some paper towels or something to dry that up. But I'm going to connect this stuff back, and I'll be right back with another video, guys. Okay?